Tonight, a Jupiter High School student walked out of jail after he had been found with a pellet gun in his backpack last week. 19-year-old Drew Yard told police he used it for protection because he was homeless and living on the streets after running away from home. Today, a judge changed his bond due to those circumstances. Yard's adoptive father says his son has suffered from years of mental health and behavioral problems. Yard said he's had time to reflect on what happened.
I learned that you can never take life for granted, and simple mistakes could get you locked up, so you gotta be careful what you do.
The young man will still receive his diploma, but will not get to walk the graduation stage.